Hello friends, so today I will show you the complete features of Glary Utilities Pro. If you want to install Glary Utilities Pro, click on the link given in the cards. So here you can see on my screen Glary Utilities Pro has already been installed. So let me open Glary Utilities first. After opening the program, it will have this type of interface. There will be three tabs. One is the Overview tab, second one is the Maintenance tab, and the third one is the Advanced Tool tab. So here in the Overview tab on the left side we have Turn on Automatic Maintenance. When you will check this option, you can get a schedule on which the program will automatically fix the problems. Some other options here are erase privacy tracks on Windows shutdown, check for updates when the program starts. And this option, which is turn on deep clean and fix, is the most important feature of this program. And this option is only available in this Pro version of Glary Utilities. Turning on this option will let you clean your PC very deeply and all the temporary files will be cleaned, and this will help in increasing the performance of your PC. And the last option is software updates. By selecting this option, Glary Utilities will automatically notify you regarding any updates of the programs already installed on your PC. Now here in the middle, you can see the boot time of your window, which is the time taken by the window to boot up. You can also see the boot time of my Windows, which is 35 seconds. And below is the startup manager. I'll show the details of this option later on in this video. And lastly, here on the right is the lessons, information of the program and the updates. So now there are two more tabs here. One is the maintenance tab and the other is the advanced tool tab. But I'll show you the advanced tool tab first. The advanced tool tab contains all the options that are present in the maintenance tool, along with some additional options and targeted functions like clean and repair. By clicking this option, you can go for a disk cleanup, registry repair, duplicate file cleaner and many other options. And there are also many other options like optimize and improve, system tools, etc., which are very easy to use. So now let me show you the functions of maintenance tab. Here in the maintenance tab you get many options like registry cleaner, shortcuts fixer, spyware remover, disk repair, tracks eraser, temporary files cleaner and startup manager. All these options are also available in the free version. But here in the overview tab, you can see this deep clean and fix. When this option is checked, all the options of the maintenance tab work in a more better way and clean your PC very deeply. This program is very easy to use. After selecting the options which you want this program to scan, just click on this scan for issues option and the program will automatically search for problems. When you install this program for the first time, it may take a little bit of time in scanning. And the most important option of this program is this temporary files cleaner. Here let me go to this PC. Here you can see that on my local disk C I have 59.9 GB free out of 97 GB. But when this program will fix this issue, I will also have some increased free space. So now you can see that the scan has been completed. There are many problems detected in my PC which are specifically shown as well, like problems in registry cleaner, shortcuts fixer, tracks eraser, and also temporary files of 1.23 GBs have been detected. Fixing all the detected problems is also pretty much easy. Just click on repair problems like this and all the problems will be fixed automatically. So before all the problems are fixed, Let me go back to this PC to show you my storage again. Here you can clearly see 59.9 GB, but it will increase once all the problems have been fixed. So now you can see that all the problems have been fixed successfully, and most importantly, in front of temporary files you can clearly see written as space recovered. And here on this PC you can see that my storage has also increased from 59.9 GB to 61.1 GB. So now let me go back to the overview tab to show you the purpose of the Start Manager. Here in the Start Manager you will find all the programs that start on Windows boot up along with their startup impact. Disabling these programs will help Windows boot faster and the performance of your PC will be much better. So that was all about Glare Utilities. If your PC is slow, click on the card shown above to see the tips to boost up your PC performance. And if you like the video, don't forget to share it with others, and for more videos subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.